Today I'm going to talk to you about the best way to ensure you get the most out of your home Wi-Fi. Before we do that, let's start with the basics. Without getting too technical, Wi-Fi uses radio frequencies to provide wireless internet access to your devices. Radio frequencies used for Wi-Fi can be weakened by dense building materials such as cement, large furniture and appliances like a refrigerator, other electronic devices such as a microwave oven, and interferences from other wireless networks. To ensure the radio frequencies coming out of your home hub are as strong as possible, first thing you'll want to do is to make sure that it is located in an open space, clear of anything that could block your signal. This will ensure that you get ideal Wi-Fi coverage in as much of your home as possible. Of course, don't move your home hub any further than the cable coming from the wall allows, and don't plug it into a different outlet. Even with these tips, you still may find that your Wi-Fi is not covering your entire home. If you live in a large home or in an apartment or condo, interference from other wireless networks can happen. In these situations, we recommend using Wi-Fi extenders that will help your Wi-Fi go the extra mile, so to speak. Bell offers easy-to-install Wi-Fi pods for a low monthly fee. You simply plug them into a power outlet in the rooms where your signal may be weaker, and voila, seamless and powerful Wi-Fi to all of your devices. Finally, keep in mind that certain older devices have a lower maximum Wi-Fi speed. This means that no matter how fast your Wi-Fi is, your device may be the limiting factor. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in learning more about Wi-Fi pods, visit us at bell.ca/pods. Feel free to keep checking our Bell YouTube page as we continue to add more helpful how-to videos like this one.